Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Marshall Usenge. For the new subscribers, karibu sana. If you are new here today, thank you so much for coming by. And for my returning subscribers, I really appreciate you so much and may God bless you all. So in today's video, we are going to make basket. Yeah, and I'm going to use a rope, and also I'm going to use a box to make it. But first we want to dye our rope. So I was looking for a color, but I didn't find it. So I'm going to use food color, green food color and red food color to dye the ropes them. I'm using a sisal rope, and first of all I was using hot water, and then yeah, I boiled the water. So I'm using at least warm water, let me say that, because I've mixed with cold water. So I'm going to dye part of the rope red and green, and yeah, you're going to see the final result. After here, we're going to soak it for at least 2 hours, then remove and dry them. I'm not going to rinse the rope, so I'm just going to let it soak for at least 2 hours, then dry them. Then yeah, you're going to see how it will look at the end.
I don't wanna see you, I don't wanna hear you tonight. I don't wanna fight you, you don't wanna know if I feel alright. I don't wanna just forgive you, I just wanna be fine. I'll be waiting for a sign to light up, yeah. And your heart is out of sight, I just wanna feel mine. Hey you, I'm gonna be the one for another one. Hey you, maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I don't wanna see you, I don't wanna fear you tonight. You don't wanna know me, you just wanna make sure you're right. I'm gonna be the one for another one. Maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I'm gonna be the one for another one. I don't wanna.
So it is 2 hours. So this is how it looks like. At least it has absorbed the color. So I was thinking of rinsing them, but again niliona ni kama itatoa rangi yote nikirinse, so I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to leave it at that, remove from the water, and then nizianike tu zikauke, and then we're going to use it like that. So see how it is. So nice. So yeah, so now let us make our basket. The box is there ready. The rope, it has dried. So I'm going to use scissor, a carton box, the ropes, and a hot glue, plus masking tape and a fabric. So that is all I'm going to use in this project. And I don't think if I'm supposed to explain anything or talk, because you'll just see the way it is. So guys, thank you so much for watching again. Thank you so much for coming today. Just up to this point, kindly like the video and subscribe if you haven't for more content. And let me just stop talking and enjoy the rest of the video. We're going to meet at the end of the video, or maybe in case I need to say something.
See you, I don't wanna hear you tonight. I don't wanna fight you, you don't wanna know if I feel alright. I don't wanna see you, I don't wanna hear you tonight. I don't wanna fight you, you. You don't wanna know if I feel alright. I don't wanna just forgive you, I just wanna be fine. I'll be waiting for a sign to light up, yeah. And your heart is out of sight. I just wanna feel mine. Hey you, I'm gonna be the one for another one. Hey you, maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I don't wanna see you, I don't wanna fear you tonight. You don't wanna know me, you just wanna make sure you're right. I'm gonna be the one for another one. Maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I'm gonna be the one for another one. I don't wanna feel you tonight. Got me. Got me. Can I hear you? Got me. Got me. Can I hear you?
So guys, at this point here, I was looking the way this basket was behaving. Then I decided, now let me just do a oval basket, because hii basket ilikata kubehave. Ilikuwa inafaa ikuwe circle but ikakata kubehave. So I just decided, let me just do a oval basket, and yeah, let's just see the way it will turn out.
Hey you, I could become the one for another one. Hey you, maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I'm gonna be the one for another one. Maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I'm gonna be the one for another one. I don't wanna fear you tonight. Got me. Got me. Got me, got me, got me. Can I hear you? Got me. I don't wanna see you, I don't wanna hear you tonight. I don't wanna fight you, you don't wanna know if I feel alright.
Give me all you've got if you're prepared to break the silence. I'll be out in the sunshine, running beside the lions. I've been feeling down, but I've been looking up, afraid to fall. God, I've been so down, can you pick me up? Don't let me fall. Can you show me how to fix this mess? I am down and on my knees, and I may fall as I'm so close to the edge. beside the lions. I've been feeling down, but I've been looking up, afraid to fall. God, I've been so down, can you pick me up? Don't let me fall. Can you show me how to fix this mess? I am down and on my knees, and I may fall as I'm so close to the edge. Can you show me how to
Here is the basket. It is ready and I'm so happy about it. So let us just remove those two particles, two things yenye imesimama simama. Though I wanted it oval but ilikata kwa oval, but hii shape sijui ni gani, but naipenda so much. So guys, that is it about this video and I'm so excited that you joined me today. I'm so happy about this basket. At least it's going to do some work in the house. So guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Kindly subscribe if you have not subscribed. Kindly subscribe, and yeah, I really appreciate your time, and may God bless you so much. If you haven't watched my other videos, kindly go back and check those videos, and we are going to meet on my next video. Bye.